Hi, I'm Rob from Big Agnes, and I'm here to talk to you about some exciting improvements and additions to our bike pack series, introducing the Tiger Wall UL 2 and 3 bikepacking tents. The new Tiger Wall UL Bikepack tent is our latest two-door, two-vestibule, and an exciting addition to our bikepack family of tents. Built from the same architecture as our award-winning Tiger Wall UL and Platinum series. The Tiger Wall UL Bikepack tent features solution-dyed fabrics, which are used on the fly, floor, and breathable fabric. Solution-dyed fabrics reduce water and energy use during manufacturing, a process that is better for the environment and improves the quality of the tent fabric as it is more UV resistant and color fast. By solution dyeing our tent fabrics, we reduce energy consumption by 80% and water use by 50% compared to traditional fabric dyeing methods. Equipped with our unique TipLok Tent Buckle for simplified setup, we've combined three functions: secure pole tip capture, rainfly attachment and tensioner, and stake out loop. This buckle has a keyed hole so the pole tip locks securely into place during setup, and hinge design stabilizes structure by equalizing forces between the tent body, rainfly, and ground stake. That's not all we've improved. The Tiger Wall UL Bikepack tent includes our 6-inch Dirt Dagger UL tent stakes, designed with patent-pending I-beam aluminum construction. You can't miss the orange anodized finish, and you'll notice the difference with a 25% increase in strength to weight ratio, our lightest and strongest stakes ever. With a shortened 12-inch Shortstik Poleset, 4 inches shorter than the standard pole length, you can stash these tents on the width of bike handles, panniers, and in saddlebag storage, complete with a burly bikepacking-ready, water-resistant compression sack that attaches readily to your bike with integrated daisy chain webbing. All the features built for bikepacking are a common thread among these specialized bikepack tents, like the added webbing for dry helmet storage, located on the tent body exterior, and daisy chain webbing loops integrated on the fly exterior to dry out wet clothes and gear. Plus, interior storage solutions to utilize dead space above the feet and keep gear stowed and out of the way. Unique to our bikepack series of tents, the extended footprint creates a vestibule floor for dry, dirt-free changing and additional gear storage, sold separately. Ride on! With more sustainably produced gear that's built to last, the Tiger Wall UL Bikepack tent is your go-to shelter for single track and double track overnight adventures.